coming back home in the middle of the night, and right in front of me was an auto rickshaw. There was a drunkard in the auto rickshaw who fell out of the running rickshaw right in front of my car. I'm Arnav Chatterjee. I work in insurance MNC. I drive Celtos. So my daily routine is I commute to office. Go to office, come back. That's all I do mostly. And of course during the weekend, all around the city. These auto rickshaw drivers or those delivery boys, they drive recklessly and they will jump in front of you at any point of time. And I find it really risky because even if I'm very cautious, they tend to create a situation where it might be an accident. I just moved across the signal and I was looking at the number and I was very sure that we still had 2 seconds left in the green light. But then as soon as I crossed it, the policeman caught me and said that you moved your car when it was yellow. And I had no way to prove myself, and so I had to agree to what he was saying and pay the fine. Coming back home in the middle of the night, and right in front of me was an auto rickshaw. There was a drunkard in the auto rickshaw who fell out of the running rickshaw right in front of my car. Luckily, I was driving very slow, so I was able to stop. But that really shook me because what if I was speeding? Then I would have really toppled over him, and then that would have put me in jail, or I don't know what all legal hassles I had to go through, and I would have no way to prove that I was innocent there. When I was going through a lot of products, I saw that it's backed by Hero, so that's the parent company. So as soon as I saw that, so I was assured that it is a quality brand and I can rely on it. And which is I went over it. When I looked into the features, so I realized that they come with an app which helped me navigate through the camera all through my journey and later on also, and I can record my videos. The video gets automatically recorded. I can see it later. I can rewind. So there's a lot of features it was offering. So I was very happy and pleased that I'm getting to a right product. Okay, my dash cam that I bought is Pro 3K with a rear camera. My experience is great. Luckily, I haven't had to use it for any abnormalities, but then it's going well. I think I'm a little more relaxed now that I'm covered. I would say it is an insurance plan for me. That's how I look at it. That this investment is simply an insurance plan which will help me at a time when I do not have a proof to show that what I did wasn't wrong. I bought from a vendor and the installation was fairly easy, and they just put it in the places back and front and showed me that how the road is looking like from the angle, and they plugged the wire. That was it. It's like I said, it's insurance. Okay, you spend lakhs of rupees to buy a car. Spend another few thousand and get a dash cam for yourself. It'll really help you when you need it.